Welcome back to Naturalhub, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies for common health issues. Today, we're diving deep into the world of varicose veins, uncovering their root causes, and unveiling effective natural solutions to bring you relief. Varicose veins are not just a cosmetic concern, they can also cause discomfort and affect your quality of life. Understanding their root causes is the first step towards finding lasting relief. First on our list of root causes is genetics. If varicose veins run in your family, you may have inherited a predisposition to weakened vein valves or poor vein wall elasticity, making you more susceptible to developing these bulging veins. Moving on to the second root cause, liver function. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxification and blood purification. When your liver is overworked or compromised due to factors like excessive alcohol consumption, unhealthy diet, or toxin exposure, it can lead to poor blood circulation and contribute to the formation of varicose veins. Lastly, let's talk about estrogen imbalances. This primarily affects women, especially during hormonal milestones like pregnancy, menopause, or when using hormonal contraceptives. Fluctuations in estrogen levels can weaken vein walls and valves, leading to the development or worsening of varicose veins. Now that we've explored the root causes, let's delve into the natural remedies that can help alleviate varicose veins and promote healthier circulation. Herbal supplements such as horse chestnut extract and grapeseed extract have been studied for their ability to strengthen vein walls, improve blood flow, and reduce inflammation. These supplements, when taken under the guidance of a healthcare provider, can provide significant relief for varicose vein symptoms. Compression socks or stockings are another effective remedy. These specially designed garments apply gentle pressure to the legs, helping to improve circulation, reduce swelling, and alleviate discomfort associated with varicose veins. Pairing compression therapy with lifestyle changes like regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and elevating your legs when resting can further enhance the benefits. Don't underestimate the power of nutrition and physical activity in managing varicose veins. A diet rich in fiber, antioxidants from fruits and vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids from sources like fish can support overall vein health and reduce inflammation. Incorporating exercises that target leg muscles, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, can boost blood circulation and prevent varicose veins from worsening. Remember, while these natural remedies can be incredibly beneficial, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or treatment regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or severe varicose veins. Thank you for joining us today on this journey to healthier veins. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tips on natural health solutions. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.